Hello besties and welcome to one more Valentine nail set. This is my previous set that I did on one of these videos, so you'll see the link below. And this is what we're doing today. I hope you enjoy the process. I really love this set and I got the inspiration from Hey Great Nails on Instagram. I'll tag her. I hope you like it. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. So we're starting off with my burnt nails right here. I have already done some prep work and my cuticle work, and I'm starting with some reflective polish so that I give it a nice flush effect whenever I have them, in flush lighting. And then I continue with this pink Cateye polish. I'm putting it on 3 of my 4 nails, and I'm gonna make these 3 pink, and I'm gonna keep the thumb and the ring finger silver. I'm even enhancing that with some silver Cateye gel. This is from Miss Cheering from Amazon, and it's so good. I'm gonna try to give them all the same effect with the magnet. Bada boom, bada beam. There you have them, all sparkling and shiny. And now I'm gonna take this palette and my dotting tool and make little pink hearts on the edges of the nails. So this was my dominant hand that I was drawing on, and I was drawing with my left hand, which is my non-dominant one. So I will let you enjoy this very unfortunate process of me trying to do nail art with my non-dominant hand. I used a liner gel from Model Ones in a very light pink color, and then a cherry red gel polish from Unique Cosmetics. Here I was trying to experiment. I wanted to put some stickers on, but it didn't work out. You'll see why. The color combo was just kind of yikes. Yeah. So we write off where we started. I wanted to put sheer pink on top of the cat eye so that I give it this, like this depth. I tried 2 shades here, but I didn't like the second one, so scratch that as well. And it gave it this kind of like velvety. It was really pretty. We experimented with that. The more I looked at it, the more I hated it. So you'll see me erase that later on. Can you please tell me in the comments if you liked it more or not? And this is what I'm left with. I tried putting on a matte top coat for this velvety effect that I told you, but I kind of hated it. This was a lot of trial and error. So I put another gloss top coat again. And off with the hearts we continue. This is the liner gel I told you about. I'm gonna link it down below because it's so good, so opaque. And here you have it. This is the full set. I don't know, you tell me what you think about it. This is where I fix the hearts. I don't know how I feel about the color combo that I chose. The silver with the pink kind of like throws me off a little bit. But yeah, I topped it up with a very shiny ultraviolet top coat, and here you have it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will give you more and more sets that will be amazing. I hope you have a great day whatever you do. Don't forget to put your cuticle oil on. Thank you so much for watching, and check out the rest of the videos I've created for you guys. Till the next one, bye!
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she